up, FHS? We are your Saber Roar seniors.
Today we will be hosting our last show ever.
Wait, this is our last show?
Yeah, Bryce, we're graduating.
In today's show, we have senior superlatives to give out and a bucket list of things to complete before we leave.
Another baking war with Nate and the last episode of the real Saber Roar.
So sit back and enjoy the last episode.
Every year, the yearbook features senior superlatives.
The Saber Roar is jumping on a new bandwagon with our first TSR Senior Superlatives. They are seniors who have made an impact on their fellow students.
Thank you to the seniors who submitted the form. Your school spirit and participation in the Saber Roar has been phenomenal for the past 4 years.
But now that high school is coming to an end, the Saber Roar seniors have some things they still want to cross off their bucket list.
Let's take a look.
Follow me. Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. Enjoy Franklin. Trying to hop on? Trying to go for a ride?
Alright, you got a license for that thing?
Nope. I'm in.
Yes, sir.
How are you gonna get out?
We'll worry about that later.
You're trying to work?
Thank you for that. That was a fantastic experience.
I hoped it was all you dreamed it could be.
It was,
and more. Wait.
Oh my god, this is so high up now because I can see everything. Actually, what's the weight limit on this? Hey Bryce! Fine, I feel good. Because I know what this looks like now.
I wanted to do a picnic under the stars on the football field. No, stop, don't.
I meant to stargaze, but there's no stars. There's no stars.
I want to ride, go fast. Miss Tunos. 4 years of high school. Excuse me, boys. Excuse me, boys.
Dude, you're going so fast.
I look cool, don't I? Way better than riding a Zamboni. Hey, baby.
Hold on. I'm trying to rethink on how to do this.
Are you just trying to torture him?
No, no, I'm not. I'm literally not.
You chose to do this.
I know, but the act of.
And just make it feel good. You only get one chance to do this.
I'm sorry.
Saber Roar is filled with curious, creative, and talented seniors.
Especially our very own Saber Roar senior Nate, whose specialty is baking.
But it's not for everyone. Let's just say things got messy in the kitchen of Bella and Stella.
Welcome back to Baking Without a Recipe, this time Decorating Edition. Like always, I'm your host Nate.
I'm Bella.
And I'm Stella.
In this episode, Bella and Stella have 45 minutes to recreate the same cake that I made using this reference photo. Ready?
Yeah.
Okay.
3, 2, 1, go.
It's gonna drop. It's gonna drop.
Oh, because that's how you combine the cakes.
I think I saw Abby Martin do this one time.
Okay.
Oh wait, no, Bella, we were supposed to do something. We were supposed to take the edges
cut it
off.
off.
We're supposed to cut the top part off.
Yeah. I can't say what I was
Again.
gonna say. No, we don't do
Safety procedures, be careful.
I don't think so.
Okay.
Was on Nate's application.
No, this was not on the agenda.
That was horrible.
That doesn't look bad. Okay, should we put this on top now?
Flip it.
Flip it.
Put it down. Go. See, that looks a little bit more level.
Okay, that looks pretty good.
Tap it
Yeah.
back.
Tap. See, that's. Yeah. Whoa! Oh, what?
How much longer are you gonna keep frosting the top of that?
Well, I just want it to be smooth. Can you move it while I put the icing around it?
Yeah. Oh, so you want me to like spin it? Turn.
Wait,
turn?
yeah. Yeah, okay, go. No, turn the other way. There you go.
Okay. Oh, yeah, that's good.
20 minutes, bro. We still have to do the little floofy floofs on the top.
Oh, right. Oh, we need more.
I know, there's frosting on my finger. This issue is just coming from like that part.
I think it's just because like the cake, we didn't cut the cake. I feel like I need to practice one. Actually, but I don't know if we have enough frosting.
I can do these.
You're good at
boss
these?
at these.
Okay, I'll fill
I frost cupcakes all the time.
Okay.
Do you?
For your job?
Nope.
Target? Okay. And we're making 10 of these.
I'm gonna like make them like
Oh, and then you're gonna like
symmetrically,
got
and then
it.
I'll like go in them. Nope, I don't have a plan.
You have 5 minutes.
We need
5 minutes? Absolutely not. Get out of my way, Cruz.
Okay, let's get our head in the game here.
Get your head in the game. Gotta get your head in the game.
3,
Nice job.
2, 1. Now that Bella and Stella have finished their time completing their cake, let's see which cake the Saber Roar likes the best.
The lines are kind of good. The white frosting is kind of chunky.
It's undescribable. It's there.
It's kind of like a hole in the side. I don't know how that would happen.
I like the touch of patched frosting.
This one's like Picasso, bro.
This is amazing.
You can tell that there's actually supposed to be like an ombre instead of just two separate colors.
One looks like someone made this with passion, and then the other one looks like it fell from space.
I feel like it's a little bit too pretty to eat. So like I think I would eat the other one a little bit more because I wouldn't feel bad about eating it.
Drum roll, please. And you guys lost.
Wow.
We had an agreement. 3, 2, 1, go.
I'm done.
Okay. You guys are good. That's enough. Yeah. I mean, you guys can eat it. Just keep in mind it had somebody's face in it. Thank you for watching the final episode of Baking Without a Recipe. I'm going to college in a couple of weeks for culinary and business arts. If you ever want to support me, you can follow me at spooksandsprinkles.co on Instagram or email me at spooksandsprinkles.co@gmail.com. Thank you. Bye.
Bye.
I'm thinking this was rigged. Nate definitely won his own competition. I'm gonna definitely miss the baking leftovers.
Me too. This year, our senior Deanna Liapis took on creating our very own reality TV show. She spent countless hours editing, filming, and producing our very own parody of The Real Saber Roar. So Mr. Clark sent me and Caden on an anger management retreat to help our feelings because of the incident that we had a couple weeks ago.
Okay. Bella, you don't include me in anything.
Yeah, because your ideas are kind of bad, so...
wait.
I feel like I've been pretty successful. In the past couple days, I've been pretty chill, able to control my anger, so I think it's looking good from here.
All right, Jaden, I'm going to show you a picture, and I'd like you to rate how this picture makes you feel.
Definitely 4. It's very irritating. Bryce is annoying. Just don't like the picture.
I'm going to show you another picture. I'd like you to look at this picture and rate how does this picture make you feel.
A 5? That is ridiculous. Get that out of my face.
Let's use our breathing strategies. Breathe in, breathe out.
You know, Dr. Dwyer really helped me to understand that not everything is such a big deal and kind of just to, you know, go with the flow.
Caden, I'm going to show you a picture, and I'd like you to show me on the scale how it makes you feel.
I can't stand this, and I'm ready to explode right now.
You look pretty angry.
I am, personally.
I'm going to show you another picture, and you let me know, how does this picture make you feel on a scale from 1 to 5?
Personally, I think Dr. Dwyer's help has really helped me manage my anger. However, I still have a fuming hatred for Cruz Trollentar. He has sold me, and if you know, you know.
So who wrote that? Who wrote Caden's fake? Did you write that?
I didn't think you'd show me this because this is really triggering for me. Personally, if I could, it'd be a 6.
Wow.
It's just too much for me. I can't look at it anymore.
Caden, tell me more about this. How do you feel when you see this?
Well, when I first saw it, it just stuck with me. Every day I've just been thinking about Caden is fake, or Caden sucks. Those words hurt me a lot. I can't fall asleep at night because all I can think of is like people thinking I'm fake and I suck. Like, I don't think I suck. Like, have you seen my clips on Fortnite? Like, I'm pretty cracked, you know. I'm pretty good at 2K. And I feel like if they saw that, it'd be a different opinion.
So you're worried about how people think of you, and you really want them to see the good things that you bring?
I feel like I've done a lot for the Saber Roar. Personally, I think I carry, you know. I think it's more like my back hurts from the amount of lows I have to take. I do a back day every day because trying to train to keep the Saber Roar up. But I feel like I should move past this and start working together with the Saber Roar.
Yeah, that sounds like a great idea. Good luck with that, Caden.
Ever since Jaden left, everyone's been kind of on edge. It's just been terrible.
Get away.
Dude, I'm literally a girl and you just kicked me and you're a guy. You can't do that.
One.
No.
Go away.
One.
Go away.
You want a chair back?
Oh, yeah.
No,
yeah.
I have my own chair.
Here you go.
Yeah, put it over there.
I am.
I need that.
Excuse me? No, but it's literally, I'm using it on the poster.
I was about to write on this though.
You can use a different color.
No, I can't though.
No, but you literally can.
Because I need it.
It's not the world doesn't revolve around you.
I didn't say putting words in my mouth.
Okay, I'm using the blue for the edge.
I need the blue.
You can use a different color.
For my
Why can't
slips
you
over
use a
here.
different color?
This entire bag of markers is mine.
Okay, bye. Please don't sit next to me.
Stella doesn't like working with others. Good to know Stella doesn't like working with others.
So can you all come around here for a second? So as a lot of you may know, Jaden and Kata are coming back today, so let's be on our best behavior. I'm a little worried about Jaden coming back. We left things on a terrible note, and I just don't want this bad tension between us anymore.
Oh my gosh, thanks guys. Bella.
Hey! I felt it's a little awkward hugging Jaden, I think I just need to be cautious.
I felt really welcomed back today by the team, and I'm just happy they're willing to accept me and Caden back into the group. So I know it's our last week together, guys, so I wanted to put a little something together for us. So the Saber Roar time capsule. I had the idea to make a Saber Roar time capsule just so that we're able to continue our legacy.
It's been fun making these types of segments and getting into character.
We work hard, laugh, and we rely on our recording producers, tech directors, editors, and anchors, and everybody else involved.
Without everybody being in the studio and working on their segments, we would never be able to make this show.
We want to thank our teachers and administrators for guiding us through 4 years at Franklin High School.
As always, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Twitter at the Saber Roar to stay up to date with all things Saber Roar.
We won't see you next year, but the Saber Roar will be back.
Thanks for watching!
Okay guys, are we talking or no?
I feel like we should talk.
Thanks for watching!
Thanks for watching! This has to be the one.